Come on, Renee, you got to go a bit faster.
I'm going fast.
Right, where are Renee?
We're already nearly out of portions. Okay, we need more broth. Is that going to be possible?
Suyi broth, that's it.
Okay. Well, should we get some more on?
There we go, guys.
I leave Renee serving, and I start getting another broth on, so I run off and get some more shiitake, get those onto an element boiling.
Well, you pour that stock that's in the bottom of there in there to top it up.
Yeah.
It's just got flavour. Just the stock, yeah?
Some of the people are waiting a little longer because I've disappeared to fix the problems.
Definitely more than that.
And then that one, taste though, taste.
While I'm getting the extra batch of stock sorted, I'm also trying to get some more tempura done.
Are they crispy?
Yeah, they are. You can see it, can't you? Yeah.
Yeah?
It is full on.
Straight in. There we go.
I don't know how we're going to get votes if we can't feed people for most of the time.
I'm waiting for the red team. I think around like 15 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Sorry about this. Won't be long.
Prepping things during service.
We'd love your vote, guys. It would mean a lot to us.
Yes, it would.
It sends you down.
Need more noodles.
There you go. There's no more nori.
Guys, you want to give us some support to the blue team so we can move it up a little bit? Come on.
15 minutes before
15
it's all
minutes.
over.
15 minutes left. We're going to try and get as many out to you guys as we can.
Have another one in a second. Cheers, guys. Enjoy.
15 minutes till service is over, Trace. We've got to get as many out as we possibly can.
Okay, you're up next.
It's like a crispy rice paper roll.
One of the customers comes over and he's really pleased with the flavour and he thinks it's delicious, but he said it's really messy.
Once they're
it's
out there, they go hard.
Yeah.
I reckon if you could fold them over now, that'd be great.
Thank you for the feedback.
Just fold them for them.
Put the mince on one side only and fold the other. Yeah.
I need to take this advice on board and change the idea. So I'm just going to try a new method and hopefully it's a little bit easier to fold over for them to eat so it doesn't fall apart in their face. I'm trying to adapt to the customer's need. I think it's important, and I think if we're to get their vote, we need to make sure that we take everything into consideration.
I'm going to snap this over for you.
So it's a bit messy, but have fun with it and enjoy it.
It's really lovely to eat, but it's quite difficult to eat. It's sort of crumbling in my hands, but it's still very delicious.
Really, really tasty. Pork is amazing, but just really hard to eat.
Yeah.
really, really hard to eat. It's completely fallen apart, but no, really good.
Never
really
had
happy.
rice paper rolls like fried like this. We've always had it like soaked. So I really, really like it. Yeah.
Well, this is the Vietnamese stand, and we've got a grilled chicken and pork Vietnamese taco. I think this is a great idea. I never thought of using this as like a taco or a quesadilla. It looks pretty, doesn't it?
It smells amazing.
Wonder how it is to eat. You gonna give it a go?
I don't care, I'm getting into it.
So hands dirty. Fold it over. Ooh, crumbly. Oh, yum. Oh, yum. That's good, isn't it?
I'm telling you something, I'm super concerned and super worried for them. Why? I reckon a lot of people are going too hard to eat. I love it, but I'm super worried about
You
them.
know what? I've eaten one. I could go another one.
Absolutely.
This is great. Love it.
I love the generous use of herbs as well.
But you know, the only thing I'm concerned about is it's taken some time for these guys to turn these over. It's taken about 3 minutes or so to cook each one, and that means maybe competing against the yellow team, the soup, you're putting yourself at a disadvantage.
Guys, 10 minutes before the market closes. Come on.
Everyone's been saying how delicious that one is.
Thank
I'm
you.
looking forward to trying it.
So far, I've only got positive feedback. Big fan. Thank you so much. I feel really, really good about this dish. Thank you so much for coming back. A bit worried about this garnish running a little low. There's a lot of people to feed and there's a lot of people coming back for seconds.
Oh, excellent. So this is your seconds.
Someone's been back for thirds already. And someone's coming back for fourths.
We've had lots of seconds.
We've
done more than 200.
We've done way more than 200 serves, so I've sent out 200 dishes, but have I fed 200 people? We've had one person come back 4 times.
So we're running a bit low on the old pickled baby corn.
To get as many votes as possible, I need as many people that we can get to try this food. I'm garnishing and handing out the plates, so I just assume that we've still got at least a whole pot left and turn around and Amy says that we're out of soup.
That's it. Bottom of the wok is officially scraped.
have none left. You look over and the other teams are handing out full plates of food.
Push towards the end, yes?
Yep. And it is disappointing. It means we got a lot of soup out, but I did not want to run out early. Oh no, thank you. Thank you.
8 minutes to go.
Jamie, we are running out of everything.
I know.
Like, oh my God. We're still pumping out so much food and we're kind of just throwing the customers everything we can give them. So everything is happening, like the chicken dish is gone now. We're just sticking to the tuna and there's just so much stuff happening. It's so hectic, but we just want to keep pushing out these meals because we want as many votes as possible. How are you guys going? Good. It's okay, guys. We won't stop feeding you. Okay. Thank you so much for waiting. Hope you love it.
If you promise to vote red, I'll give you 2 meatballs. You have to promise.
They're not just meatballs, they're chicken miso balls.
I can't get it on.
Come on, it's the only team that's still going strong. Cheer, guys, come on!
Right, this is it, guys. The last ditch attempt. 2 minutes to go.
Beautiful, enjoy.
Want a taste? I'm looking at all these faces that haven't tried my soup yet. I'm just gonna make spoons for people. No.
We're doing it.
Yeah, thank you very much, Joy.
Right, the market is about to close. That familiar 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Tools down. Well done. Brilliant job.
Inevitably, somebody's going to go through to elimination, and we are all great cooks at this point of the competition, but at least we know that we can hold our heads high if we do end up going through to elimination, that it's not like we've done a bad job, it's not that it was a terrible dish, and yeah, we just have to trust that everybody enjoyed it.
I don't want to go home, so I don't want to be in a pressure test and I don't want to be up against Jamie. Obviously, I don't want him to go home or myself. So I'm just hoping we've done enough, and we got really good feedback from all the customers, so I'm just hoping that we get the votes.
I feel quite confident. I don't think we could have done much better. I mean, when we had problems running out of stuff, that was always going to happen to some degree. We fixed those problems where we could.
Yeah.
You know, you can always do better, obviously, but I think under the conditions, I'm pretty happy.
I wish we made a tiny little bit more. It would have been good to keep going with it. I hope we get the votes now.
All I can say is wow. Because you know what? I reckon, hands down, best team challenge ever.
Right, you guys cooked, we tasted. And of course, the 200 people that count tasted your food and voted. The 3 of us didn't get to judge. Green team, oh my gosh, delicious. Never ever seen rice paper being grilled on a flat top. But in saying that, some of the customers were complaining about, difficulty in eating it.
Wow, the yellow team. The thickening of that delicious stock, which gave it body and that kind of comfort food sort of resilience. And the way that pork went in as a mince was absolutely sensational. But there were big queues on the other stalls and you run out of food before time was up.
Jamie and Laura, you had Jared quite nervous at the beginning of service because yours was the only stall that chose to do 2 dishes. I love fresh tuna and I certainly love green papaya salad. It lived up to all of my expectations. But there were a few comments. They loved it, but they found it quite difficult to eat because it was like this big sort of tuna steak.
Red team, wow. Sean definitely knows how to put you guys under pressure. A lot of elements on your dish. You worked really hard. Loved those little prawn cakes. They were delicious. The only question mark we had against the other dishes, was there enough punch? And at the end of the day, it was all about votes.
Okay, now down to the stuff that really counts, and it was the count. The customers voted, and I have the results. Remember, the top 2 teams are going to be safe, and the bottom 2 teams are going to go into elimination. Wow. One team are absolutely head and shoulders the clear winners. What I can tell you also is one team quite clearly are at the bottom. And it came down to just 8 votes between those 2 middle teams to decide who's safe and who's in the elimination. The top team received a huge 79 votes. Now that is a popular dish. Or should I say, dishes the blue team. Well done.
Oh my God, the blue team won! Yes! Thank you so much.
Congratulations, blue team. Absolutely brilliant. Well done. You're safe. And now for not such good news. The bottom team, and this one's going to hurt, only received 11 votes.
11 votes, that's embarrassing. 11 votes is a complete whitewash. I don't want to be the team with 11 votes. That's a disaster.
And that team is... the red team.
What the hell just happened? How the hell did we get 11 votes? That is a disaster.
That leaves yellow team and green team. One of you received 59 votes and the other received 51. The team that is safe is the yellow team. Brent? Oh, I don't know what it is. I don't know what to say. Another team challenge lost.
I'm sick of it. Sick of losing.
I can understand why. And you know what? It's a crucial point in the competition, you know, but you got to hold your head up. You really do.
Frank, Adrian, Sean and Jared, it's been so wonderful to have you here and we can't wait to have you back here again. So thank you very much and we'll see you soon.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Blue team, yellow team, congratulations. Red team, green team, congratulations. We loved all of your food, but that's just life, isn't it? It happens in the restaurants. Some people choose one restaurant over another. Tomorrow, you 4, you walk in here strong, yeah? You come in and you remember why you signed up that long ago. Yes? Off you go.
Well done today, guys.